Police dispersed a group of protesters obstructing the Gampola-Navalapitiya main road at the Mariyavatta junction. The protesters were demanding for the renovation of a road in the area.
The Deputy Pirivanadipati of the Tamiligala Bauddhaloka Pirivana, Venerable Kalugala Kassapa Thero, first protested demanding for the renovation of the road running across Mariyavatta to Udagama on the 3rd of April. The protest garnered much attention after a recording of the conversation between the Thero and Minister Lakshman Kiryala went viral. Yesterday, the same Venerable Kalugala Kassapa Thero began a fast as the road has not been renovated as yet. Area residents arrived to the area in support of the Thero. Police intervened when the group attempted to obstruct the Gampola-Navalapitiya main road.
I can't allow you to close down the road. Please do not hold it against me. We do not have a problem with each other. Please do not clash with the police.
The group later protested obstructing the Gampola-Navalapitiya main road. A tense situation arose when police attempted to disperse the protesters. Area residents took steps to hospitalize the Thero. The protesters carried the Venerable Kalugala Kassapa Thero for about 1.5 kilometers to the Gampola hospital from the Mariyavatta junction.